This video will be going over simultaneous equations from paper 1 of Edexcel Higher GCSE for the year 2024. This is a non-calculated paper and this is a simultaneous equation question from that. Solve these simultaneous equations. 5x minus 2y equals 23 and 2x minus 3y equals 18. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to label our equations equation 1 and equation 2. Now what we're going to do next is we're going to find a way of making one of the terms, either x or y, have the same coefficient. So in this case we're going to make y have the same coefficient so that we can cancel out y and have only our x values remaining. To do that, we're going to multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Equation 1 times 3 gives us 15x minus 6y, and this is equal to 69. And for equation 2 times 2, we're going to have 4x minus 6y, and this is equal to 36. And so what we're going to do from here is we're going to subtract equation 2 from equation 1. Now what this allows us to do is it allows us to cancel out our 6y's. So 15x minus 4x gives us 11x. And then minus 6y minus 6y. So that's minus and minus, which should make plus. So we have minus 6y plus 6y. And this gives us 0. So we don't have any y value. We've removed our y's and now we have x on its own. And so finally we have 69 minus 36, which is equal to 33. So after this subtraction, we are left with 11x equals 33. Divide both sides by 11, we're left with x equals 3. But we also have to find the value of y. So what we're going to do in this scenario is we're going to substitute x equals 3 into our equations, and for this we're going to choose equation 2. So as we said, we're going to substitute it. So 2 times 3 minus 3y is equal to 18. 6 minus 3y is equal to 18. And now what we're going to do is we're going to rearrange to isolate y. So we're left with minus 3y is equal to 12. And if we divide both sides by minus 3, we're left with y is equal to minus 4. These are our two values for these are values for x and y. So with simultaneous equations questions, once you find your values, always make sure to substitute them back into both of the original equations to show that they both work. Because if you find values that only work for example, equation 1 and not for equation 2, you know that you've done something wrong.
As always, thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.